Global Training and Certification Services is offering CQI IRCA ISO 9001, 2015 Quality Management System Lead Auditor Training Course. A quality management system can be characterized as a collection of commerce forms that center on assembly client necessities on a steady premise. ISO 9001, 2015 Lead Auditor Quality Management System Course Objectives. The purpose of management systems. The purposes and business benefits of a quality management system, quality management system standards, management system audits and third-party certification. Risk-based thinking process. ISO 9001, 2015 Purpose and requirements from an auditing perspective. The purpose of an audit. Auditing procedures and communication. Value-added audit reporting and follow-up. Registration open in Quality Management System course. For detailed information, please call us or WhatsApp on 00923360547664. Register now. 5 days of online classes. Approved center. Approved trainer.